Social media is a massive area that without proper structure can become really overwhelming. It doesn't have to though. With a little bit of time, it can become a very vibrant and informative part of your business, bringing in new customers and maintaining relationships with existing customers. Here are some tips. Number 1, research. Understand who your customers are, what platform they're on, and the kind of content that they might be interested in. Number 2, post regularly. Keep yourself in your customer's mind by posting on a regular basis, and where appropriate, provide links back to your product or to your website. Number 3, use a variety of content. Mix it up a bit. Photographs, videos, links, statuses. If all your customers see is the same content over and over again, they will lose interest. Number 4, management platforms. Use a management platform to plan, schedule, and execute your social presence. It will take some of the stress away from you so you can focus on other elements of the business. And 5, you don't have to do it all yourself. If there are other people in your organization, delegate some responsibility to content to them. Obviously, edit it to make sure it is appropriate for the business. Use experts and partners to provide information. Experts in particular can raise the credibility of your business. And you have elements like Feedly that can bring information that you can recycle and repurpose for yourself. The key is, it's better to do 1 well than 10 badly. As the saying goes, how do you eat an elephant? Well, 1 bite at a time. If social media is your elephant, don't try to swallow it whole. Start small and build a sustainable presence from there. Social media is about building relationships, so use the content to inform and engage with your client base. If you provide your customers with useful, relevant information, you can build trust, and people who trust you pay you.
If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like. If you think someone else will like it, please give it a share. If you'd like more information about the service I offer, there is the website link in the description below. And if you'd like to subscribe for more of this type of content, the subscribe button is on the screen right now. Thank you very much and have a fantastic week.